Grated vegetable and mixed bean salad. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 1 zucchini and grate into a salad bowl. Remove 2 large florets of cauliflower. Grate the florets into the salad bowl. Finely shred 1/4 of a red cabbage and place in a bowl. Chop 1 cucumber into small pieces and add to the bowl. Slice celery stalk lengthways, then chop finely and place into the bowl. Thinly slice 1 red onion and add to the bowl. Gather 1 handful of lettuce, 1 bunch of parsley, and 1/2 a bunch of mint leaves and shred finely. Cut an avocado in half, scrape out into the bowl. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice over the ingredients. Pour 1 drained can of mixed beans into the bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well with hands, crushing the avocado. Add walnuts and mix well. Serve with flatbread and hummus.